Welcome to our page Birth History. This is our first video. Today we are going to learn a few unknown and most used abbreviations of history in 2 minutes. They are BC before Christ, BCE before Common Era, AD Anno Domini, CE Common Era, BP before present. Origin. The method of AD or BC of identifying historical dates can be traced back to Catholic historians working in the early Middle Ages. Identifying historical dates until that point was often a complicated proposition since different historians work under different calendars. This is the most used method of identifying historical dates. The calendar that we are using today is the Gregorian calendar based on the central Christian figure, Lord Christ. About BC refers to before Christ, years before birth of Jesus. Here the years will be counted on descending order. If the last year is 233 BC, then this year will be 232 BC and the next year is 231. About Anno Domino or AD. It's a Latin word, means in the year of Lord, therefore Jesus. Here onwards, the counting of years is in ascending order as 2015, 2017, 2018, like this. There is no year as 0 year. We have to keep in mind that BC 1 and AD 1 is nothing but a single year, that is nothing but birth of Jesus, the year of birth of Jesus. The terms before Common Era substituted before Christ and Common Era substituted by Anno Domini. These words are suggested by religious critics who attempt to remove the religious significance inherent in the BC or AD. Therefore, BC is nothing but BCE, before Christ is nothing but before Common Era, and Anno Domini is nothing but Common Era, C, AD equals to C. Let's start finding the difference between BC and AD by reading a timeline. Here we have a timeline. Here we can see BC1 and BC1 and AD1, which is nothing but Christ is born, the year of Christ is born, and some historical events like on 323 BC, Alexander the Great built his empire, and Julius Caesar is assassinated at 44 BC. And let's come to AD. 476 AD, Romulus Augustus was taken prisoner of the German king, ending the Roman Empire. And at 622 AD, the birth of Islam happened. The present, we're seeing this timeline, we are running in this timeline at present. Now we will see the most interesting and most unknown fact, BP, before present. Before present era is a time scale used mainly in geology and other scientific disciplines to specify when events occurred in the past. Before the present time changes, standard practice is to use 1st January 1950 as the commencement date of the age scale, reflecting the fact that radiocarbon dating became practical in the 1950. Let's see about radiocarbon dating. It's nothing but determining an age of an object containing organic material, that's nothing but plant or animal or human material or waste. By using these properties of radiocarbon or a radioactive isotope of a carbon, we can find the age of an organic material, that may be a dead body of a mummy, Egyptian mummy, or anything else. BP scale sometimes used for dates established by means other than radiocarbon dating, such as stratigraphy. It is also a branch of geology concerned with the study of rock layers and layering. Observation BP with the same meaning interpreted as before physics, that is before nuclear weapon testing artificially altered the proportion of the carbon isotopes in the atmosphere, making dates after that time likely to be unreliable. So the before present is also used like before Christ. The counting of years will be go backside from 1st January 1950 to backwards. This is used by scientifical persons to say the age of an organic material. Thank you for watching. What's up? our video and subscribe for more upcoming information. Hope we are going to at a bigger success and this. Thank you.